guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys showered all your love on my mascara lipstick video that I uploaded as a YouTube short. So I thought let's come here and share with you guys my review and my honest opinion of the bestseller and the very hype lip, product. So this is what I ordered from the website. It apparently went out of stock for 3+ months. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा भी प्रोडक्ट भी है. Until I saw the Mars का ad that apparently went out of stock for 3+ months, and as a consumer I was like, why? क्यों ये out of stock हो गया? Is it that good? Is it a dupe of a high-end, lipstick? So I went there and ordered 2 shades. ठीक है? I have swatched one shade on my YouTube shorts. You can go ahead and check it out. You guys showered holy love in that particular video. So I thought let's come here and share with you guys the 2 lipsticks that I have. Curiosity के कारण मैंने 2 ही मंगाया है. After I ordered, I was like, is it actually good? Is it bad? Is it just worth the hype? खामखा लोग इसे viral कर रहे हैं, hype कर रहे हैं. But when I used it, you guys, I was blown away. It is very similar to the Rare Beautica Mousse lipstick that I have. I completely forgot the name of the lipstick. Rare Beauty Lip Souffle lipstick जो है ना, it is very similar to the Rare Beautica Souffle lipstick का formulation. It's very velvety, very soft, very blurring, as well as a buttery whipped cream जैसा formula है. Very light, ठीक है? एक airy formula है. It does not feel anything on the lips, which is why I loved it. So I have the shade 02 and 03, and this is what the packaging looks like. Very simple. Okay, this is the Mars Matte Mousse lipstick, and this is 03, and यहाँ पे सारे ingredients मिल जाते हैं, and then सारा कुछ यहाँ पे आपको description मिल जाता है, and this tried it with us for 299 rupees, but I got 2 of the lipstick for around 550 or something like that. मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं है, but हाँ मैं screenshot लगा दूँगी. This is what I had ordered. ठीक है, this is 02, ठीक है, हल्का सा dark shade है, and 03 something that I carry always on my bag. ठीक है, जब से ली हूँ तब से ही मैं यूज़ किए जा रही हूँ. So 03 is right here inside my bag. It is absolutely a gorgeous color, something that I love, and this is what I'm wearing. It's such a beautiful nudish, एक coral हल्का सा nudish color है. So this is what both of the shade looks like. This is 02 and this is 03. You can clearly see the difference in the shades. ठीक है, this is what the tube looks like. आपको यहाँ Mars दिख जाएगा. The color is just absolutely gorgeous. मैं आपको यहाँ swatch भी करके दिखाती हूँ. So this is what the shade looks like, which is just so gorgeous. Guess what? पूरा shoot होने के बाद I just checked that बीच में से the audio of the video was just gone. बिना check किए I was just filming. So let's do it all over again. Let's just go ahead and wipe the lipstick that I'm wearing. Now I do not have any lipstick on. Let's go ahead and swatch the shade 03. कहीं पे भी जा रही हूँ, shoot पे बैठ रही हूँ, if I am wearing lipstick, this is what I'm reaching out for. It's so soft, so velvety, so moussey texture. तो ऐसे वहाँ मत खर्च करो. But if you do want to go ahead and buy the Rare Beauty का lip souffle, definitely go ahead and do that. But if you want to go ahead and save your money and get a very similar formulation and the texture and colors that actually suits Indian skin tone, so go ahead and buy the Mars one. So I'll just go ahead and zoom this in. Look at the shade. This is my lip color, but so much more better. And guys, did you see how beautiful the color payoff was? मैंने दोबारा जाकर ट्यूब से लिपस्टिक को निकाल के मैंने लगाया. It was just one swipe application. So in that way, you're going to get so many usage of this product, क्योंकि ये one time and one swipe application है. So आपको दोबारा से जाकर लिपस्टिक को लेकर दोबारा नहीं लगाना होगा. आप एक ही स्वाइप पे पूरा लिप्स को कवर कर लोगे. And this is what it looks like. So this right here is definitely worth every single penny. It's velvety, soft, very comfortable to wear, and retails for just 290 rupees, जो कि बड़े से बड़े high end brands को आराम से टक्कर दे सकता है. ये ज़्यादा long lasting है नहीं, because it is not a pure matte formulation. In fact, ये soft matte या फिर एक velvety whipped cream mousse जैसे formulation का है. So इसका lasting power ज़्यादा नहीं है, but ये आराम से 3-4 घंटे चल जाता है if you are not drinking or eating anything. Otherwise, it will just fade away just like that. But this is what the beautiful shade looks like. If we are wanting to go ahead and try something, very similar to the Rare Beauty का lip souffle, but don't have the budget for that, and one shade that is very, complementing for Indian skin tones, go ahead and check this out. This is not a sponsored video. अगर sponsored होता तो मैं ढेर सारे, shades swatch करती, but I just got two because it's not sponsored. मैंने पैसे देके, खरीदा है. So yeah, this is just time to go ahead and try out the very hyped Mars का lip product, which I absolutely love it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. मैं दोनों ही shades नीचे description box में link कर दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर check कर लेना. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.